evidence? Does your life have evidence that onyx flowers? Love you, baby. About to go to work. Real quick video. This is 2016 Dodge Ram 3.6 liter. Replacing a radiator. This one does not have a fan clutch, so it's like super fucking easy. It's like two 12 millimeters on each end right there. No, 13s. And then disconnect the plug, the electrical plug, and just pull it up. It's got those little grooves, but they really not held in there by nothing. Take off this right here, your upper radiator hose. Shoot some hose clamp pliers like that. I just set it right over there. Same thing for the bottom one. It's right there. Goes right there. You gotta take off this bracket. There's two 10s right here. Take that bracket off. There's another one right there. You gotta take those two 10s out. Get that bracket out. You got a 12 millimeter right here. Right where my finger's at right here. There's a 12 right there. And then there's a 10 millimeter right there. In that hole right there. It's kind of hard to see. But there's a 10 right there. Then to pull this up, once you take that bracket out, it should just come out. Yeah. And then I might have to take this bolt that's a 12 millimeter right on the other side of the 10s right here. But there's a damn 12 going into that one, right into the radiator. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take that out too. Using ratchet wrenches. I think that's gonna be it to get this out. Okay, so only tricky thing is on these, you got a bunch of damn bolts. Here. There's one on the side right here, 10 millimeter. So if you get stuck, you know, it's you can't pull it out. It's probably one of these damn condenser lines. There's like 3 or 4 condenser lines holding it in. That's probably the trickiest part, is getting to those bolts holding in the condenser lines. But once you get those out, you just got two 12 millimeters right here on this, going in like that on each side that hold the radiator in. It'll come right out. It's a 2016 Dodge Ram, and the ones I've seen on All Data and on YouTube, they had a fan clutch that you had to get from the bottom, and then a big shroud. That must be on a bigger size motor. Well, this one don't have it, thank God. So you will have to transfer these washers right here on both sides, and then these right here, which go right in that hole right there on both sides on the bottom of the radiator. So I'm about to grab them off the old radiator. And if you haven't figured out by now, I forgot to mention, in the beginning, you got a bunch of these push pins. All you gotta do is get a trim tool like this, and just pop them out. You gotta do that at the beginning to get to the front of this stuff. But just these guys right here. Anyway, you see more, just put it on now. But just crank it up. Let it get the operating temperature, top it off with coolant. Should be good to go. That's it though.